What's good traders? I think I already told you what my whole analysis for Bitcoin today morning. I already gave you the analysis. So our small account of $84, we are now in almost $135, but we don't count our profit until we close. So that's the mistake I had to learn the hard way. So let me first remove everything so that I can show you what I see on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, yeah, let me just close those two. Okay, so in Bitcoin, I told you guys that we may have a high likelihood of Bitcoin first buying until we reach this area where I showed you. So for Bitcoin, I went to the H4 and I observed that price is actually consolidating a lot, right? So I went to the H1 just to look at the structure, because even though we consolidate on the high time frame, we may have some bit of a structure on the low time frames. That is something that everyone should know by now, that it's not always like a blue and gray area, that if you don't have structure on the daily time frame, doesn't mean that all the other time frames don't have structure. Anyways, so we have a low over there. This is a lower low, and then price ended up making a higher low, right? So when that higher low was made, I observed that this higher low was made by this price breaking the previous level of resistance. So I told you guys that anything above this area, we saw that price was bearish. Here it was bearish, and then it broke above this area, giving us the indication, and then it came underneath this area the first time to give us a correction. And then after some time, because now this is a lower low, a higher low, yes, a higher low, and then price made a higher high, and then it came for correction. So I'm expecting that price is likely to take out this previous higher high. So the first TP could be around here, as you can see. That could be the first TP. Okay, that will take time because this is the H1. Okay, I've been holding this trade since morning, as you can see. My stop loss was just underneath this area because this is where we found a level of support before price made that push to the upside. So I was expecting that price could potentially have another second push, and that's what actually is happening. So I'll be updating you guys perhaps after some good time, because Bitcoin is the pair which actually takes time to ripen, right? And also on top of that, I told you guys that we have an order block just above this area. Above our entry over here, we have an order block here. So I'm expecting that if price is to stop selling, we should first of all reach this order block at around $7. Okay, this is my simple analysis, right? I'm not trying to like complicate and show you that I know everything. I'm just saying that if price is likely, if it has already decided to push, may have a high probability that price may decide to push all out to the top. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for here for Bitcoin. Please comment and let me know what you guys think of these coming pairs that I'll be posting. But so far, yeah, that's it for my pairs. I think I can just want to show you where am I. So yeah, let's go here. So if you observe, I'm in a forest actually, just meditating and looking out just for the beautiful part of nature. Anyways, that's it for my analysis for now. I'll probably come back in a few hours and update you on this Bitcoin trade.